Did you know? Fun fact of the day. Yawning is contagious, and not just because you see someone do it. When you see another person yawn, your brain's mirror neurons activate. These are the same cells that help you copy facial expressions and feel empathy. That's why we're more likely to catch a yawn from friends or family than from strangers. Your brain mirrors the people you care about most. So if you just yawned while watching this video, congrats, your empathy is working perfectly. Now you know. Follow for more fun facts.